The Skoda Superb Estate offers strong value for money and promises great carrying ability, but how does it compare to its rivals? Well, on paper, the Superb's boot is the biggest in its class, and it looks it. The wide, square shape means that it's easy to stack larger items inside, and the low hatchback opening means that it doesn't take much effort to lift heavy items in. The boot itself is packed with features, including 4 tethering hooks, several bag hooks, a 12-volt socket, and a pair of storage bins at each side. One of those door bins holds a pair of Velcro boot dividers, which can stick to the floor to hold smaller items. Another clever feature is the removable LED boot light, which doubles as a torch. The adjustable boot floor is easy to move between its 2 levels. With it in its high spot, there's no load lip to overcome, and there's enough room to keep the parcel shelf below it. The Skoda Superb Estate has a 660-litre boot that grows to 1960 litres with the rear seats folded down. So what do those numbers mean? Well, they mean the car can hold both a buggy and almost any other baby paraphernalia you could ever need to carry. Golfers will find it accommodating enough to store a set of golf clubs, or 2, or 3, or 4, or maybe 5 and 6 as well. With a parcel shelf in place, the space available isn't quite tall enough to fit a small and a large suitcase on top of each other, but there is more than enough room to store them side by side. Fold down the back seats and the Superb Estate can swallow a TV-sized box, a pair of large boxes, 3 medium boxes, a small box, a small and a large suitcase, and have just enough space left over to edge in a soft bag. Moving to the back seats, and the Superb is just as cavernous. There's the kind of knee room you'd find in a limousine, and thanks to the Estate's straight roofline, headroom is slightly up on the saloon version. The rear bench is nice and wide, so even with 3 people in the back, shoulder room is good. However, the centre seat is raised slightly, and the firm cushion means that it's not perfect for taller adults. Fitting a baby seat is an absolute doddle though. The rear doors are large and open nice and wide, so it's no trouble squeezing the seat through the gap. The Isofix mountings are easy to access, though you'll need to be careful not to lose the removable clips. The Superb Estate also has plenty of cubby spaces. The glove box can fit a large bottle of water, and so too can the door bins. There's a bank of cup holders in the central storage bin, a media cubby ahead of the gear lever which fits a mobile phone, and a small bin to the right of the steering wheel. Further items can be held by a pair of cup holders in the rear armrest and a phone-sized pocket on the side of the front passenger seat. Overall then, the Skoda Superb Estate's huge boot, acres of legroom and clever cubbies make it a strong contender for being one of the most practical cars you can buy. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel, and click on the video windows to watch some more of our excellent videos.